How to cancel Amazon Prime Video membership. So first of all, you have to get to the Prime Video website, or you can also use the Amazon application. So all these steps are pretty familiar with one another, so you can follow it anywhere, either on the application or its website. So here I'm on the Amazon Prime Video website. So once you have opened it up, tap on your profile icon at the top right. After that, tap on Accounts and Settings option. So under the account and setting option, there you have in section as your membership. So in my case, currently I don't have any active subscriptions on my Prime Video account. But if in your case, if you have any active membership and if you wanna cancel that, there you will find an option as Manage Membership. Tap on it. And under that, tap on End Membership. After that, you have to follow all the prompts to confirm the cancellation of your membership. So follow all the necessary instructions, and then you will be able to cancel your membership on your Prime Video. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.